Assalamu alaikum everybody, this is my 44th algorithm video. In this task we need to make a merge string. How would we do that? Well, we have two strings, string 1 and string 2, and for making the merge string we would take the first character of string 1 and concatenate with the first string of string 2. Then we would take the second character of string 1 and then concatenate it with the second character of string 2, so on and so forth. For this particular algorithm we would be using for loop and a zip function. For I comma j in zip string 1 string 2. Now let me explain what does zip function do. Zip function basically pairs corresponding elements into tuples. H and B, it is paired into a tuple. E and Y, it is paired into a tuple, and L and E, they are paired into tuples. So I would be using zip function and a for loop. Then merge string is equal to merge string plus I, merge string is equal to merge string plus j. Now as you can see that the length of string 1 is different from the length of string 2, so we need to cater for that too. If length of string 1 is greater than the length of string 2, then merge string is equal to merge string plus string, then we use indexing string 1. It would start from the length of string 2. What is length of string 2? It is 3. So it would basically start from 0, 1, 2. It would start from 2. No, it will start from 3. Sorry, it will start from 3. The length of string 2 is 3. So the indexing would start from 3 and it will go all the way till the end of string 1. And if length of string 2 is greater than the length of string 1, so merge string is equal to merge string plus string 2 length of string 1, and will go all the way till end of string 2. Else, if both the length of string 1 and string 2 are equal, then just print merge string. I need to add print statements here also. So basically this is the result that we get: H B E Y L E, and when the string 2 is completed, then we just concatenate the remaining elements of string 1 LO, right? So if I change string 1 and string 2 into A, B, C and D, E, F, now both the lengths of string 1 and string 2 are equal, then this is the result: A, D, B, E and C, F. Now if I change the result to, for example, now the length of string 2 is greater than the length of string 1, so it would do A, D, B, E, C, F and the remaining elements of string 2 G, H. This is the result. I hope you liked my video. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.